before anything begins. Notice this quiet moment. The world has not rushed in yet. There is a softness here, a stillness. And within this stillness, something beautiful is true. Life has gently placed a new day in your hands. Not to rush through, not to prove anything, but to experience in your own way. Take a slow breath in and feel that possibility. Allow your body to relax into where you are. Soften your shoulders. Relax your face. Let your breath flow naturally. Inhale slowly and exhale gently. There is nothing missing in this moment. Right here, you are enough. Right here, life is already supporting you. Bring your awareness inward. Imagine a soft glow at the center of your chest. A quiet, steady light. This is your inner energy, your calm presence, your natural state of being. With every breath in, this light grows a little brighter. With every breath out, it spreads gently through your body. You are not trying to create anything new. You are simply allowing what is already within you to awaken. Let this thought settle softly within you. You don't have to force your way through life. You are allowed to move with it. There is a rhythm to your day, a natural unfolding. Some things will flow easily. Some things will ask for your attention. But you can meet it all with steadiness. Affirm gently, I trust the rhythm of my life. I move with ease, not force. Now bring your attention to something simple, something already present in your life. Let yourself feel grateful for it, not as a practice to complete, but as a feeling to rest in. Gratitude softens the mind. It opens the heart. Affirm, there is goodness in my life right now. I allow myself to notice it. I allow myself to feel it. Now imagine that gentle light within you expanding outward, beyond your body, into the space around you. This light carries a quiet truth. There is more than enough for you. Enough opportunities. Enough support. Enough moments of joy waiting to find you. You don't need to chase them. You only need to remain open. Affirm softly, I am open to receiving all that is meant for me. Abundance flows to me in natural ways. Picture yourself moving through your day. Notice how you carry yourself. Calm, grounded, clear. You respond instead of react. You move with intention. Small things go right. People meet you with kindness. You find yourself in the right place at the right time. Let this vision feel easy. Not perfect, just supported. Place one hand gently over your heart if it feels right. Feel your breath. Feel your presence. Let this understanding settle. You are not separate from the goodness you seek. You are already part of it. Affirm, I allow life to support me today. I receive with openness and trust. I am aligned with positive energy. Now invite a soft sense of joy into your body. Not excitement, not intensity, just a quiet, steady feeling of this is good. Let it sit in your chest. In your breath. In your awareness. Joy doesn't need a reason. It can simply be allowed. Begin to notice your body again. The surface beneath you. The space around you. Take a deeper breath in and slowly exhale. Feel a gentle readiness within you. A calm willingness to begin. before you open your eyes, hold this with you. Today, I move with ease. Today, I welcome what is good. Today, I trust that something beautiful is unfolding. When you're ready, softly open your eyes. Step into your day slowly, carrying this calm, this light, this quiet confidence with you.